sometimes I do that, like I sit with her in her class to see what she's doing. And today is one of those days. It looks like the network is kind of dragging, so it's keeping coming and off.
Mommy, I think it's that's making it. You know why? I think the battery is going low.
Does it make any difference?
No.
You see?
Click your button to put your hand down.
Click the button to put your hand down if you want to.
So, Rishi, your question?
I changed my soap and I'm just saying this now. My face is pretty rough. I noticed about 2 nights ago and I stopped. I don't know why I changed my soap. I've gone back to my Irish Spring. That's what I use. And these kids are on my case today. The weather is not so bad. It was raining early this morning and they want us to set up this pool their dad got them. And my neighbors were just looking at me. I'm sure they'll be like, what's wrong with this person? They were driving out now and they were looking at me. They want us to set this in up. Guys, does it look like I can set this thing up? You guys have to wait for your dad to come back.
No,
And the weather is not so...
You see me? I opened that by myself. You saw me. You saw me. You saw me. It was good. You only have to use that thing, pump it up, put water in it, and look up.
AJ can talk. See what the kids want me to do. So that means I have to start pumping this.
No, I'm gonna do it.
You can't pump in. Just wait. Let's just wait for your daddy, guys. Let's just wait for your daddy. He's gonna be back soon. And no diving, no jumping. Okay, guys?
Yes, we can do it. Just trust us, for please. Yeah. Daddy.
I don't trust you guys.
Anyways, Daddy would have a new pumping thingy. How about that?
Let me see your tits, AJ.
Yes.
Okay, it looks good.
Take Rosie, put down Rosie.
No, I am doing it.
You can't pop and sit down. The person that's holding that will sit down.
I hold it just.
Me too. I'm losing myself in the city. Sounds for a while I'm fine, but as soon as it gets quiet, I know I'm screwed. Oh, I can hear my own heart breaking. Do you hear the sound of my heart breaking over you?
get up. Oh, this I can manage it. I love it.
Hi guys, welcome back. It's another day, and today is Saturday. I'm about to have my breakfast. This is actually lunch, so this is 1:53, so it's not more breakfast, but it's supposed to be my breakfast. So let me just go ahead and prepare my breakfast. So I made overnight oats last night. Let me show you guys. Can you guys see the steam? So I decided to warm it up, and this is the first time I'll be warming it up. Normally I just take it directly from the fridge and eat it, but I feel like taking something warm today, so I just decided to warm it up a bit in the oven, sorry, not oven, in the microwave for about 4 minutes. So it's all cooked up. So I only did overnight oats with, so I only added milk and bananas to my oats, the banana just to make it sweet a bit. And I'm gonna go ahead now, right now, to add blueberries. It's been washed already. So because there's water in there, I'm being careful. Oh, sorry guys.
Mommy, can I have some taste, please?
Can I have what?
A taste.
Blueberries or the
No,
oats?
taste. Oats.
Oats. Okay, sure, I'll give you. I didn't want to pour it in because there's a bit of water in the bowl, and I'll be adding pecan to it. So,
Mommy,
guys,
it
my tripod is bad, so that's why I can't drop it. So let me just add pecan to it. Just a bit, just a handful of pecan. Agege just dropped my spoon. I'm also going to have it with boiled egg. So it looks like, look at what it looks like. This looks so good already. So I'm adding the boiled egg so that it's going to keep me full. I'm sure you guys know that egg can keep you full all day, because I'll be going out shortly and I don't want to eat anything because now, sorry, excuse me, my phone. All right there. All right, bye. So guys, I'm about to have my breakfast. As I was saying, I usually eat egg these days in the morning, boiled egg, because it keeps me full. I've not done the research though, but I know it keeps one full. So this is gonna help me and not want to crave anything while I'm out till I get back home. Because these days I just do 2 meals per day, and now that I'm telling you guys, I feel that thing happens to me. So now that I'm telling you guys I do 2 meals per day, then my body will ask me for the 3rd meal today. But I'm gonna let you guys know if I actually want to feel like eating the 3rd meal. So let me just go ahead and have my breakfast, and we'll be heading out shortly. So guys, we're ready to go out. I'm going out with my daughter Agege. So we divided ourselves today in this house. So my son will be going out with my husband, and I'll be going out with my daughter. So I need to use my hat. I'm sure you guys know that it's so sunny. The weather has been so beautiful these days. So I'm using my hat. Fine girl. I want to show you guys. I know what's that. I want to show you guys my dressing. Where will I put this? I'm in the bathroom downstairs. I don't want to put my bag on the floor there. Anyway, this is what I'm looking like today, and I'm wearing this top. I go from. I just keep quiet. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Thank you. Oh my god, I can't remember. Old Navy, guys. Oh my god, what's wrong with my brain this morning? So I got this top from Old Navy. I actually went there during the week to get some tops, because I realized when I took out my winter clothes, I realized I don't have a lot of tops for office. Then I saw this one. I thought, oh, this is casual. So I tried to wear this, and I'm wearing this with one of the pants. I'm sure you guys can remember this if you've seen my what's it called? If you've seen my oh my god, my ZARA haul, one of the ZARA haul. I think I got this from ZARA. Yes, if I'm not mistaken, yes, I got this from ZARA. So it's a pleated material of pants. So something easy, just something easy to just throw on and all of that. And I need to use my lip gloss. I love glossy lips, so I didn't put on the lip gloss because I was going to eat then, because I know my food will clear everything off. So my lip gloss. Agege, I'm gonna give you lip gloss as well.
Mommy, you know I'm making. I close your water bottle. I'm ready, and you're just using your lip gloss and doing your video. And I don't want to be late.
And see, madam.
I don't want to be late. Come on, let's go.
You don't want to be late for what? You have an appointment. What appointment?
Appointment of you know,
I know what.
the spa.
The spur. And guys, this is my bag from JOLLOFRICE. I think it matches. I've actually been rocking this bag because it zips so easy, and especially because I can just drop my camera in there. I don't have to carry my old bag. So guys, let's get out. Let's get out of this house. I love my look.
Mommy.
I love my hair. I'm just happy. So guys, the kids still have the pool out here. We thought it would be a waste of water if they pour out the water, but looks like it doesn't make any difference because there's a lot of bug and dirt in there. So
I'm gonna take you.
we're eventually going to have to change the water whenever they need to use it again. Hey guys. Oh gosh, this is looking white. Let me adjust this. My mask is my mask is stained because I used it yesterday. And we just got to the mall now. Oh my god, guys, I'm using my camera like, and they're just staring at me. I just had to, because this is what I do, so I need to summon the courage. And sometimes I don't like using my camera outside because I get shy. But I just have to summon the courage and start using it. So I'm gonna put on my mask now. And our appointment at the spa is 4 o'clock, but we're going right into Old Navy now. Cool. I need to change the settings. I want something like yours, Agege. Remember this yellow one? Oh, this looks so beautiful. Should I pick this one?
Yes.
Okay. This is medium, so we're gonna all wear this tomorrow.
Can't fit me.
You have yellow already.
Get it.
I should get it, right? Let me just pick one.
Oh, should we get this?
Hmm?
This one. I want it. It's perfect.
It's perfect. It's almost far from your own yellow. So guys, I want this yellow dress. What do you guys think? Let me move away from the... Oh, sorry, Agege. So this is yellow. Agege and Mimi say has yellow, so I want us to twin. So that's why I'm getting this. Okay, Agege, what's the price? 54. That's too much. Move your hand from the... Hold on, hold on, it. Don't let it fall off. Sorry, I just want to show this to mine.